No job, no problem. Let's be real, life doesn't wait for a perfect moment. If you've been let go, can't find work, or you're just fed up with sending resumes and getting nothing back, this is your sign. You don't need a job to make money. You don't need to beg for interviews or wait weeks to hear a maybe. What you need is a way to start making income tonight from home with your phone or laptop. In this video, I'll show you 10 side hustles that are so simple, anyone can do them. You don't need experience, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars. Just pick one and start tonight. Let's count down the best side hustles you can start right now with 0 excuses. 10 user testing websites. Ever used a website or app and thought, this could be better? Well, companies want to hear that. Platforms like user testing and Trimata pay people to test websites and apps. You'll get tasks like clicking through a homepage, filling out a fake order, or giving your opinion on layout. You speak your thoughts out loud as you go, and that's it. Most tests take around 10 to 20 minutes and pay $10 to $20. Some people earn $100 in a single evening doing this. You just need a microphone and a calm, clear voice. It's not consistent full-time work, but for quick cash, it works. Especially if you want to make money while chilling in your pajamas. 9 offer pet sitting or dog walking. This one is perfect. If you love animals, apps like Rover and Petbacker connect pet owners with people who can walk their dogs, watch their pets overnight, or even just drop in to check on them. There's a huge demand, especially in cities where pet owners work long hours and don't want their pets to be lonely. You could earn $20 to $40 per walk, or over $50 a night for pet sitting. You can even get started with neighbors or friends. Just put up a quick post in your local Facebook group or neighborhood app and let people know you're available. No office, no boss, just furry clients and fresh air. 8 print-on-demand merchandise. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to buy shirts in bulk. With print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle, you can upload simple designs or phrases and they'll handle the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. You get paid when people buy your items. Some creators make hundreds per month just from a few designs. You can make stickers, mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, all without ever touching the product. Start with trending ideas, memes, or funny quotes. Simple text sells surprisingly well, and once it's uploaded, it becomes passive income. Work once and keep earning. 7 start a text-based advice service. People are paying for advice more than ever, and not just from professionals. Whether it's relationship tips, study guidance, or confidence advice, apps like Wisio and Justanswer allow regular people to offer insights via text or recorded responses. You don't need a license to give general help. If you've been through something and learned from it, there's someone out there who needs your point of view. Start by offering simple help. For example, I'll give you 3 tips to manage social anxiety, or ask me anything about long-distance relationships. You could charge $5 to $15 per answer and build your way up. 6 create faceless videos on YouTube. Not comfortable being on camera? You don't have to be. Faceless channels are booming. Topics like motivation, true crime, celebrity news, and tech explainers get millions of views. All you need is a free editing app like CapCut or VN. Stock footage. Many sites offer free clips and a good script. Use AI voices if you're shy, or record your own narration. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube monetization. But even before that, you can add affiliate links in your descriptions or promote products. It takes effort, but you can start tonight by planning your first video. One upload could lead to thousands of dollars later. 5 write resumes and cover letters. If you're good at writing or organizing information, this is a great hustle. So many people are terrible at writing resumes. They either undersell themselves or use outdated templates. You can step in and fix that. Start by offering help on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Some people charge $50 to $150 per resume. If you help just 2 clients a week, that's a solid side income. Use tools like Canva or ZD for templates and Google Docs for editing. You don't need to be an HR expert, just someone who can spot grammar mistakes, organize bullet points, and make people look good on paper. For become a local delivery assisted food delivery. This one's different. Use your bike, scooter, or even your feet to deliver packages or run errands for people in your area. Apps like TaskRabbit and ErrandRunner allow you to sign up and start accepting tasks today. You might deliver groceries, pick up dry cleaning, or help someone move boxes. It's active, flexible, and you get paid by the hour, often $18 to $30 depending on your city. You don't need a car, and you don't need a license for most tasks. Just be reliable and ready to help. It's a great option if you want something. Social and physical. 3. Sell services on a one-page website. This one is powerful. Instead of waiting for clients to come to you, make a single-page website promoting a service you offer, like proofreading, social media help, translating, or even organizing digital files. Use tools like Card or Google Sites to build your page. For free, add a contact form and a short list of what you offer. Then promote it on Reddit, LinkedIn, or niche forums. One good service and one good post can land you your first customer. From there, it's word of mouth. Some people scale these one-page service sites into full businesses. You can literally build your page tonight and be open for business tomorrow. To become a local social media manager. Small businesses need help. They don't have time to post reels, make captions, or respond to DMs. That's where you come in. Offer to handle a business's Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Even if you've only run your personal account, you probably know more than many small business owners. Start by helping a local restaurant, salon, or gym. Offer a free week to show results. If it works, charge a monthly rate, $150 to $400 depending on how much you do. Many businesses are happy to pay someone reliable to stay consistent online. You can manage 3 to 4 clients part-time and earn full-time money. The best part, you can do it from anywhere with Wi-Fi.1. Offer AI-powered service. Shares the top hustle right now, and it's only going to grow. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI to offer services like blog writing, script generation, content ID, simple logo design, product description. Some editing businesses don't always know how to use these tools. You do. Package your skills into services and sell them on Fiverr, Instagram, or your own website. For example, you can offer 10 Instagram captions written with AI and edited by a real person for $15, or 1-minute video script ideas using trending topics for $10. You do the work once, deliver fast, and scale easily. People are making hundreds weekly doing this, and all it takes is learning how to prompt properly. If you're watching this video, chances are you already have the curiosity and the mindset to make this your new side hustle. So there you go, 10 side hustles you can start tonight. No job required, no long interviews, no experience needed, and definitely no waiting around. Whether you have 30 minutes or 3 hours, there's something on this list you can begin right now. Don't overthink it. Pick one, give it a shot. You're not stuck just because you don't have a 9-to-5. The tools are in your hands, you just have to use them. If this video gave you even one idea, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it with a friend who's looking for a way out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straight-to-the-point guides to earning online. Your next paycheck could come from something you start tonight. Go get it!